you that have been wondering what I've been making, I'm working on a modern adaptation of an Egyptian Khopesh. It's going to be a far shorter version than they were historically made. It's also be a lot wider and overall beefier, and of course it's made of steel instead of bronze. My main cutting edge is still not quite where I want it. I want right here to be the primary section that's going to hit when you swing it. It's not quite there. I need to bend this forward ever so slightly. We're getting close though. Did it. Made it through another summer day in the shop. It's gonna be a hard one.